in order to get one of these words out, I have to send my text object a message that says, hey, what do you have in, let's say, line 8? Okay, so fun, cool. So if I say to my text file, here's a message, line 8, send it into my forwards. Let's look at our console. And I click on that, I'm getting an output. Set, fun. So set you maybe weren't expecting, but we definitely were expecting fun, the word, because we looked at this earlier and said line 8 said fun. Great. So if I ask text for line 8, I get fun, fun, fun. If I change this to line 9, I get set words. Words is what's in line 9. So what I had to do in order to get line 8 and line 9 that you just watched me do is to manually type in these numbers, right? I said specifically line 8, and then I typed LINE space 8. Well, maybe I want a situation where I don't want to have to manually type these things in. I want to be able to use an integer box. And so now we have this option for what's called a replaceable argument in Max. So line $1, $1. The $sign syntax is what we see when we use what's called replaceable arguments in Max. If you're familiar with a variable, you could think of these sort of as a placeholder, like a variable for a number that you can change. So if I now send in a number, so let's say 9, to this message left inlet, the message box is going to output line 9. So here's my 9. I get words. If I send the number 8, the message box outputs line 8. Now I have fun. And I can actually I could drag this if I wanted. So I'm getting all of these words as I'm sending numbers through here.